The best natural home remedies for cold, cough and flu. A few slices of raw ginger root in boiling water may help soothe trusted source a cough or sore throat. Research suggests that it can also ward off the feelings of nausea that so often accompany the flu. Honey has a variety of antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Drinking honey in tea with lemon can ease sore throat pain. Research suggests trusted source that honey is an effective cough suppressant. Garlic contains the compound allicin, which may have antimicrobial properties. Adding a garlic supplement to your diet might reduce the severity of cold symptoms. Vitamin C. Vitamin C plays an important role in your body and has many health benefits. Along with limes, oranges, grapefruits, leafy greens, and other fruits and vegetables, lemons are a good source of vitamin C. Adding fresh lemon juice to hot tea with honey may reduce phlegm when you're sick. Drinking hot or cold lemonade may also help. Salt water. Gargling with salt water may help prevent trusted source upper respiratory infections. It may also decrease the severity of cold symptoms. For example, it may ease sore throat pain and nasal congestion. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a full glass of water. Swish it around your mouth and throat. Then spit it out. Warm baths. Adding Epsom salt and baking soda to the water can reduce body aches. Adding a few drops of essential oil, such as tea tree, juniper, rosemary, thyme, orange, lavender, or eucalyptus, may also have a soothing effect. You can add menthol to hot water for a steam inhalation. Although a 2013 study found that menthol inhalation helped reduce coughing due to environmental irritants. Vapor rub containing menthol, eucalyptus, and camphor significantly improved sleep in children and adults with cold symptoms. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel.